and welcome back to another video where today we are going actually to do the fidget spinner giveaway. Today I'm going to give away this fidget spinner. It's really good. And are you ready, guys? Okay, so these two wanted to Dylan. Okay, so I have Dylan. Dylan. He subscribed twice, so Dylan. And here's the hat. I'm gonna put them both in here. Then I have RJ. Put it in there. Okay, guys. It's a pretty short video. It's just about who's going to get the fidget spinner giveaway. Okay, guys. I wish you all good luck. I wish you all good luck. Okay, guys? I wish you all good luck. I put my other subscribers in there, too. Okay, guys? Here we go. And the winner is Collier Mindeville. Collier won. He actually goes to my school. Collier Mindeville. He actually goes to my school. So congratulations, Collier. Congratulations. Congratulations, Collier. You won the really good working fidget spinner. It works perfectly. Wait. Okay. It works perfectly, and I think you will enjoy it. So, Collier, congratulations. Sorry, guys, if I didn't do it at 50. I just that they asked me to do it today. Please do it today, and I was just like, wait. No, they didn't ask me to do it today. I just wanted to do it today. I just wanted to do it today. I just wanted to do it today. I'm sorry, guys, if you won, but wow, Collier actually got really lucky. I thought I was going to be one of the people that I didn't know, like one of my other subscribers. Wait, I'm going to go check how many subscribers I have. Wait, actually, let me do something really quick. Why do I still only have 22 subscribers? I don't know. So yeah, Collier, you won the fidget spinner giveaway. And guys, these were your names who participated in subscribing to me. RJ McKee, Kat Andrews, Cooking with Maddie, Boba Fett, Magician33, Martina Simone, Claudia Jorgensen, Cheryl Mullican, Flat Brick Studio, Michaela Acock, Xfer, whatever. Wait. Shouldn't there be more? Subscribers. Wait, let me go to subscribers. But these are my subscribers. RJ McKee, subscribe, send a message. So yeah, there you go, guys. But there's more. Here, let me go to my notifications for a second. Okay, we have Skills Torres. We have Skills Torres and more. Then we also have wait. Then we also have and also, I already said, okay. Then then Zivo King, and then Zrika Aji, and then that's all that subscribed to me. But sorry guys if you didn't win, but that's just it. I'm sorry guys, that's what happened. I'm sorry if you guys didn't. Tell you what. I will do another giveaway. Not the fidget spinner giveaway. Get out of this hat. Wait. Look, and there are papers in here. Papers. Look at all this paper. So, yeah. Whoa! Why was I even using that fidget spinner? I should be using this fidget spinner. Mine. This isn't mine anymore. It's not mine. It's not mine. Stay away from me. You're not mine. You're not mine. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. If you did enjoy this video, please do leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. And if this happens to be one of the first videos you see might be, please do consider subscribing. Actually, wait. Go click that legendary button down there. Go click that legendary button down there. Wait. Go click that legendary button somewhere down here. Okay, so somewhere down there, and click the legendary button to join Team Legendary. Okay, guys? And that's all for today, guys. Goodbye!